Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Joker cinematic look using Lightroom. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to basic panel. For this photo, temperature -15. Contrast applies 50. Highlights to -50. -60 for shadows. Whites +20. And black to +40. Texture to +5. Clarity +10. And DHUS +5. Vibrance to +30. And saturation +10. Go to color mix. First go to hue. +20 for orange. -20 for yellow. Next go to green. -100. Go to aqua. +20. Next go to blue. -50. Now go to saturation. For red -20. Next go to orange. -10. Go to yellow. -20. Go to green. -100. Next go to aqua. +15. +15 for blue. -100 for purple and magenta. Now go to luminance. +10 for red. Go to orange. +10. Next go to yellow. +40. Go to aqua. -10. Next go to blue. -30. And done. Now go to split toning. Hue 164, saturation 20 for shadows. Balance +50. Now go to effect. -26 for amount. Midpoint to 39. Roundness -28. And feather +63. Now go to grain panel. 10 for amount. $15 for size. Now let's try to create this preset. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.